My name is Seth, and this day we're going to talk about building our first app in Flutter, right? Yes, so we are going to build a very simple application using Flutter, and I'm telling you, this is going to be very short and beginner friendly, right? So stay tuned and look out for the best. So okay, so we'll be using VS Code actually, right? And I'll teach you how to use the Virtual Studio Code, like Flutter on the Virtual Studio Code, and how you can set it up and start coding right away, right? Uh, Coding your Flutter. So now let's move on to the library section. So we want to create a new file and then name the file. Let's say don't forget the underscore. So my first Flutter or Flutter app. Don't forget that's right. So once we do this, then you see our first prompt. So we are going to do a little coding here, and then we can. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so now let's continue, right? So we are still building the Flutter app, the simple Flutter app. So you see that's programming all over here, right? So this has made it so simple that you can just select. Right. Oh, okay. Okay, so let me just accept, right? So once you accept, and that is it. That's what makes it so simple in Flutter programming, right? So the next one is to you keep on accepting this one. I'm teaching you simplest ways that you can just build. Okay, so exactly. Now you can accept to this part, right? Okay, so now we are moving on to return. Okay, so we talk about const, right? That one can be altered, but uh, okay, so we talk about all these, right? But for now, let's try and build it out. Let's build something here. Okay, so let's get it. Okay, so let's go to home, column, scaffolder. Okay, okay. So to okay, so body um body center. Okay, okay, so these are notes that I wouldn't want to keep, so I don't need it most, right? Okay, I just need to okay, I just need to create something different. So child, we need yeah. So the child and then text. Let's say text would be um, okay, so let's run it and see how it will go. Let's run it, let's run it. Right. Okay, okay, okay. So now it's working.